Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create channel on YouTube using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your browser and then just search for youtube.com. I'm sorry. And then just wait. And once you've done that, you just want to scroll down on this section on the left side of your screen, and then you can see settings. Okay, so just go ahead and click that, and then here, as you can see, there's a section here. This is the blue text. You can see create a new channel. So just go ahead and click on that, and then here you can add channel name. So you can use your brand's name or another name. A good channel name represents you and your content. You can change your channel name at any time. So just gonna put a tutorial tips. Tips, and then just click this and click create. So let's just wait. So sometimes this may really take a while because of the internet connection. Okay, so here, as you can see, you have your channel. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.